Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons and one of them should look like the sun. This is the screen brightness icon. Tap on this icon to open the screen brightness menu, and here we can adjust the brightness. But before that, I recommend to turn off the auto brightness, because as you can see the brightness keeps changing automatically because the auto brightness option is enabled. So if you want to set the brightness to a specific level and you want it to stay at this level, you need to disable the auto brightness. And now we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, press the side button to go back. You can also do this through the settings. So we can press the side button on the current watch face on the home screen to open the menu. Once you open the menu, you can scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. And here we have the option called display and brightness. Tap on it, tap on brightness adjustment, and here you can adjust the screen brightness. If you want, of course, you can also enable the auto brightness back on by tapping on the A icon. Okay, and once you're done, press the side button again to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.